Please.
My name is Nitish Kumar.
Father's name.
My father's name is Sunil Kushwaha.
Village name.
I live at Musapur.
What is your pin code?
48426.
Right, that's good. I would like to ask you questions. What is the definition of noun?
A noun is a naming word.
Define pronoun.
A pronoun stands for a noun.
Define adjective.
An adjective qualifies a noun or a pronoun.
That's nice. What is the definition of adverb?
An adverb qualifies an adjective, verb, and another adverb.
Right answer. What is the definition of preposition?
A preposition is a word usually placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to some other another word in the sentence.
What is the definition of conjunction?
A conjunction is joining word.
What is the definition of interjection?
An interjection is a word which expresses some certain feelings of joy or sorrow.
Right. Very good. And what is the definition of letter?
A letter is the smallest which we have which we write in English word.
How many types of letter?
Two types of letter.
Name these.
Capital letter and smallest letter.
Right. What is the number of vowel?
5.
Name these.
A, E, I, O and U.
What is the number of consonant?
F keys.
Right. That's not good. Can you define sentence?
A word or a group of words which makes complete is called sentence.
Right. How many kinds of sentence?
There are 5 kinds of sentence.
Name these.
Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, exclamatory sentence.
That's nice. Really good. I would like to put some questions in the in whiteboard. Then you can recognize noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. आप पहचान सकते हो?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks. That's one question. Then I will give you. I am a good boy. Here is the sentence given. Then you have to choose other words, where and which. Then I what? I mean what? I क्या है?
Pronoun.
Right. And am?
Verb.
am क्या है बाबू?
Verb.
verb. और a क्या है?
Article.
a क्या है?
Article.
आर्टिकल है. और गुड क्या है?
Adjective.
राइट. और बॉय क्या है?
Common noun.
राइट. दैट्स नाइस. रियली गुड बाबू. एक और सेंटेंस है. सुमन इज ए गर्ल. सुमन क्या है? प्रॉपर नाउन. और इज क्या है?
Verb.
इज क्या है?
Verb.
और ये क्या है?
Article.
राइट. और गर्ल क्या है?
Common noun.
दैट्स रियली गुड. थैंक यू बाबा. ये हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट के 5वीं क्लास के विद्यार्थी हैं जो अच्छे से इंग्लिश से लोग पढ़ते हैं बच्चे, और बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, और हम चाहते हैं कि बच्चे और भी मेहनत करें. ठीक है ना. और बच्चे के भविष्य शिक्षक के हाथ में होता है. बच्चे कैसे पढ़ते हैं ये गाइड करना टीचर के हाथ में.